In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Asana project with guests. If you work with clients, contractors, or partners outside your organization, inviting them as guests in Asana is a great way to collaborate without giving them access to everything in your workspace. I'll walk you through the exact steps and explain what each option means so you can share confidently and keep your project organized and secure. First, open Asana on your desktop and navigate to the project you want to share. You can find it from the sidebar or your recent projects. Once you're in the project, look to the top right and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you manage who has access. In the Invite with Email field, type the email address of the person you want to add as a guest. Guests are people outside your organization's domain, and they'll only see what you explicitly share with them. If you're inviting more than one person, you can add additional names or email addresses here as well. This is handy when you're onboarding multiple collaborators at once. You'll see an option labeled Notify when tasks are added to the project. Turn this on if you want the guests to receive updates when new tasks appear. This can be helpful for stakeholders who need to stay informed without checking the project constantly. But if you're aiming to reduce inbox noise, you can leave it off and rely on task assignments and comments for notifications. When you're ready, click Send Invite. The guests will receive an email invitation, and if they don't already have an Asana account, they'll be prompted to create one at no cost. After they accept the file, they'll be able to view and collaborate in the project based on the access you've granted. To fine-tune privacy, click Access Settings in the Share panel. Choose My Workspace if you want the project to be visible to members across your workspace, which can be useful for internal transparency, or select Private to Members if you want to restrict access strictly to people you've added to this project, including your guests. For client-facing projects or sensitive work, Private to Members is often the safest choice. You can return to this panel anytime to adjust access as your team's needs change. That's it. You've successfully shared your Asana project with a guest. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.